Many people are depressed in their life because they don't do what they are supposed to do. They don't do what makes them feel happy. They don't have this kind of hobbies that can become something successful tomorrow, but that's not the point. The point is to continue to practice it in your life, to have it in your life on a regular basis. So don't give up. If you like to if you like, I don't know, if you like to sew, if you like to sing, if you like to create DIYs, if you like to do crafting, whatever, just keep doing it. Some people likes to do hair, some people likes to to draw, you know just keep doing it. If you like to write, just keep writing. And if you want to be a published author, just look for the path and apply and continue to write and continue to apply. Don't let other people define what you want to be, or tell you that you don't deserve to be what you want to be, just because right now you don't have the same thing as the big names we see on TV. We don't all have to be that way. So if you sing in a choir, it's already good because you're practicing singing. Now, if you can become a big name tomorrow, great. But just keep practicing this. If you give up, for sure, you won't become a big name. But if you keep practicing, you will feel fulfilled, your soul will feel happy, and then maybe at some point you're gonna get a record deal, or a book deal, a publishing deal. That can happen, and that's a great thing. But you need to practice first. It's not gonna come like this. So for my people who doubt themselves just because other people tell them it's impossible, you're not this, you don't have what it takes, you don't have it right now, don't listen to them. Just listen to what you have in your heart, in your soul, and that's it.